Hello students, I believe I'm already familiar to you, right? As I'm shooting this video at night, but I want to tell you good morning because when you watch this video, it it will be of course morning, right? That's why. So good morning and assalamu alaikum to you all. I'm Mahbubah Hassan Mitu, English teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, Sector 4 branch. Today here I am again with another video that is on grammar topic. Today I'm not going to give you any hint about the today's topic, but I'm going to just let you know one important thing before I start the topic in detail. I know you know this thing, let me tell you. That is vowels and consonants. Isn't it so familiar to you? Of course. How many vowels we have? 5. A, E, I, O, U. This 5. Now, you know that, do you know that English language has 26 letters. Among 26 letters, we have only 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Do you know why these 5 vowels only are very different from others? There is a speciality of it. That is, in vowel, when you create the sound, those are coming out from our lungs, the air coming out from our lungs directly without any block by anything in our mouth. It, like say for example, teeth or lips or tongue. But other consonants, the other letters that are the consonant sounds, that stuck in somewhere, that block the air. Like when you say B, that time the air block in our mouth, our lip, isn't it? But say I, nowhere. It doesn't block anywhere. It doesn't block air anywhere. So that's why vowel are different from other consonants. So I hope you are already guessing the right grammatical item. Yes, that is article. Today we are going to know about article in detail. Okay? So to get most out of this video, please watch it till the end. Let's start with article in detail. What is articles? So, words which are used before nouns and modify nouns, that's what the articles are. It means articles always describe the noun. Modifies means describe noun as the adjective. It works as adjective. And tell us, article defines or tell us whether a noun is used in specific or general context or situation. That's what. So according to the uses of it, we have 3 articles in English grammar. They are a, an, and the. And we have divided this 3 into 2 type of categories. 2 types. First one is definite article. Second one is indefinite article. Definite article is the. And indefinite is a and an. The is definite and it shows uniqueness or any specific thing of obviously noun. And a and an comes in indefinite articles as it doesn't show the uniqueness or specific thing. Instead, it shows that the thing is being said in general, but of course in singular form, and of course countable. In case of the and in case of a and an, both in case of those thing, the noun has to be countable. Now, you can see that the point out some particular person or thing, and a and an Don't point out any particular person or thing. So let's go for the example. Here you can see two pirates as an example. But first one, you can see the pirate here refers to the specifically I'm indicating or mentioning exactly this pirate. And you know about it. Something in this kind of situation, we use the. You can see that this is a specific pirate where the writer and reader know about him in that situation. But in case of the second one, a pirate refers to any pirate in the world. It can be any pirate. Okay. He is not known to the writer or reader. It can be anyone. You just generally mention about any pirate. In case of that situation, we use a or an. I hope you have understood the situation. Yes, we have 3 articles, but in this video, we are going to discuss specifically a and an. These 2 articles. So let's start. As I was saying that we have 26 letters in English English language. Letters means alphabet. And 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. And that's why first I told you about vowels in detail, because you need it in case of knowing the use of a and an. When any noun starts with vowel sound, not vowel letters only. It can be letters, but it has to be the vowel sound. In case of this situation, you have to use an. But if any noun starts with any consonant sound, not only consonant words, it has to be consonant sound when you are pronouncing the word. That time you have to use a. And as I was saying, of course it has to be in singular form, only one. So let's go for the examples. When to use an. Any word that begins with a vowel sound, not only vowel letter. I'll give you example, but here examples are only the vowel letters. Okay, look at here. Apple, egg, iPad, oven, umbrella. In case of each and every pronunciation of these words, of this noun, start with the vowel sound with vowel letters. So that's why here we use an, because here refers to only one oven, one egg, one iPad. That's fine. Now when to use a. Any word that begins with a consonant sound or consonant letter, of course, but it has to be consonant sound as well. In case of that, we use a, like a book, cup or coffee, dog, house, town, drink. Those are the consonant, those starts with consonant sound. So that's why we use a. And let's go for the variation. As I have told you that vowels and use of an, it's very important because there are some exceptional thing as well. Exceptional means different, totally different something. It's a different rule. You can see A, E, I, O, U, those are the vowels. And let's see that in Bangla, which sound can they pronounce. First one, A, O, E, O, U. Those sound this vowel can create. What are they? Let's start again. A, O, E, O, and U. Those sounds can be pronounced or produced by those vowel sounds. So you can find when you just pronounce the nouns, the given nouns, then you can pronounce it loudly and you can relate with this sound. Okay, now look at here. European and Europe. Uniform, university. In case of those, the words start with the vowel letters like E and U. But when you pronounce it, it starts with sound like Y, like European, Europe, uniform, university. That's why it sounds like Y sound. And Y is a consonant. That's why in case of those words, before that we have to use A, not an. Understand? Like a uniform, a university, a European, or a Europe, like that. So let's go for another variation, different rule in case of use an. We use an before words that begin with vowel sound instead of any h sound. Like you can see here, our honest that starts with H that was supposed to hour or honest, isn't it? But we don't pronounce hour or honest. We pronounce hour and honest, and it sounds like a vowel sound. But in case of house and horse, it's like the same. Her sound is pronounced, the consonant. So in case of hour, you have to use an hour, an honest. And in case of house, horse, home, you have to use a house, a horse, like that. Understand? I hope so. Let's go for the rules that are given in our in your grammar gear book. Now I'm gonna explain the rules of uses of these articles a and an, which is exactly given in your grammar gear book. Okay, so let's start for the first one. First one, mention anything first time. It means when you are talking about any noun for the first time, that time you have to use a or an. Like, we saw an ostrich in a zoo. Ostrich, zoo. Ostrich start with vowel sound, that's why an. Zoo starts with the consonant sound, that's why a. So, like this way, we are talking about this example, ostrich and zoo, for the first time. That's why you have to use a or an. If you are going to write about this thing again, then you have to use the. Okay, now the second one. I saw a man in a car. It means I'm talking about the man and the car for the first time. That's why I use a. But when I was talking about this again, I use the, isn't it? You can see the example when I'm describing it. So like that. Now let's go for the second one. A member of a class of things. Class of things means out of the group, any group, if you mention only one student or one thing or one person, that's what in that time you have to use a. Like, you are a good student, you are a student of class 3. Say in class 3 you have many students, but I'm talking about only you. So that's why I use a. Understand? Like that. See, an owl hoots. Hoots means, hoots is the sound of, the owl. That's why it's the verb. An owl, it starts with the vowel letter and vowel sound as well. That's why an. An owl hoots. So it means among the all type of owls, it's talking about generally that normally you can see that owls hoots. That one. Okay, the third number rule. When we talk about any one place, one person, one animal, or one thing, that time we use a or an. Like, I want an apple. 1 in number. That's why I use a or an. Here is an because apple starts with the vowel sound. Now let's go for the number 4 rule. Before adjective plus singular countable noun, it refers to, it means when you can see that there is a adjective before the noun, that time a countable noun, that time you have to use a or an according to the adjective, not according to the noun. Like say for example, wait, let me show you. Here you can see that before an, after an there is an apple. It's a noun. But when you talk about this example, it means you can see that a bat, a owl, an owl. So owl and bat, those are the nouns. But if you say an orange bat, it means the bat is orange in color. So orange, the color's name, it's the adjective describing words. So the a or an will use according to the adjective, whether it sounds like vowel or consonant, like this way. Like an orange bat, a wise owl. But see, when you were in the first example, I'm using an because of the owl. That's why. Understand? When you use when you see any adjective before the noun, that time you have to choose the a or an according to the adjective sounds. But it's describe the noun. It will be the same. It is describing the noun, but the use of it will be according to the adjective sounds. Okay. Now, sometimes in exclamation sentence we use this as well. You can see it frequently in case of exclamation type of sentence, like what a beautiful room. In case of this situation we use articles like that. Beautiful. Beautiful starts with the consonant sound. That's why a. Now, let's go for the last. When you talk about someone's profession, any type of profession, that what you are doing, that time you have to use a. I'm a doctor. Wait, I'm not talking about me. I'm not a doctor. I'm a teacher. You are a student, isn't it? Whenever you are talking about that, you have to use a or an. See the an. You can see a guitarist or a singer here. He is an artist. As artist starts with vowel sound a, that's why an. But in case of teacher, what you say? I am a teacher. A. You are a student. See? A. So let's go for the exercise of grammar gearbook that you can see. Okay, you can see that there is a gap of something. That's because your exercise is in 2 pages, so I have to crop it. So I hope you don't mind. So let's go for the fill in the blanks and use a or an according to the situation or the sounds of the noun. Akshay has dash computer. Akshay has a computer. Why? Because computer starts with the consonant sound. Sarita is waiting for dash auto. Auto. It starts with the vowel sound. So it will be an. Dash hand chucks. It means a hand chucks. It means the sounds of the hen. That's one. The patient needs dash injection. Injection. It starts with I. As I say, I was saying in Bangla pronunciation, remember that there was E sound as well. Injection. That's why here you have to use an injection. And moreover, you can see there is a vowel later as well. It is dash sunny day. It is a sunny day because it's consonant again. Suraj is a pilot. Pilot is the name of a profession. That's why. Uncle Tom always wears dash hat. A hat. See, here is not at. Here is hat. H pronunciation is like ha. That's why it will be a, not an. The piano is dash large musical instrument. So, large. So, ill. That's why it will be a large. Then, I'm going to dash bookshop today. a bookshop today. B is the consonant, that's why. What dash clean river? Again, it's the exclamation, but clean starts with the kind of K sound. That's the consonant. That's so it will be what a clean river. That one. So here is the answer. You can see and do the bookwork according to following this rules. But remember one thing: try not to follow my answers. Do it by yourself so that you can practice. If you have any mistake or if you have any doubt, then you can check the video, no problem. Let's go for next exercise. That's exercise number C. You can see this exercise in page number 36 of Grammar Yearbook. Let's go for the instruction first. The articles a or an are missing from these sentences. So rewrite these sentences by inserting a or an correctly. The first one has been done for you. So inserting means adding. First one is already done for you. You can see that India is a big country, but though in here you cannot see it because I edit the picture, that's why. But in my answer sheet you can find it correctly, properly. India is a big country. Here big is an adjective. So according to the adjective, the a or an is given here because big, the B is a consonant sound or consonant letter, that's why. And of course this article describing the country as which is a noun. Now let's go for now a 2-number exercise. What fantastic match? No, it is incorrect. Correct one is what a fantastic match. You have seen in the last slide that if there is any exclamatory sentence, that time you have to use a or an. So that according to that rule, here is the example. Mumbai is expensive city. Expensive. This is an adjective as well, but it starts with vowel. So that's why I use an. And it describes the city, that noun. Number 4. My brother and I watch film on TV. So there is missing of an article. So I am using it here. My brother and I watch a film on TV. This is chapter on articles. This is our chapter of articles that we are doing it now, that one. Ben is outstanding musician. The answer will be Ben is an outstanding musician. Rintia wants to be teacher. Remember that before any profession we have to use any we have to use article a or an. So this is the example. Rintia wants to be a teacher. Again 8 number, the exclamatory sentence, that one. What lovely day. No, answer is what a lovely day. Number 9. Somnath needs dental checkup. Answer is Somnath needs a dental checkup. Horse neighs. So it's the sound of horse. That's here. You have seen one exercise like that. That an owl hoots. Remember that? It's like that. So a horse neigh. So here I have to use a because horse, this consonant sound and consonant letter as well. That's why a is used here. So let's sum up the article point by watching one video. Say for example you are going to visit a zoo, like that situation. So let's start.
It was Sunday. Jim decided to go to the zoo. There he saw an ape and an orangutan. An sugarcane. An antelope was drinking water from a trough. An ostrich was hiding its face under the sand. A panther was walking to and fro in his cage. An alligator was lazing near a pond. The lion seemed to be in a bad mood. He roared very loudly. Jim had an ice cream and went back home. A and an are articles. A is used before words that do not start with A, E, I, O and U. A trough. A panther. A sugarcane. A pond. An is used before words that start with A, E, I, O and U. An ape. An orangutan. An elephant. An antelope. An ostrich. An alligator. An ice cream.
Okay, dear students, you have seen the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Okay, let's go for our today's HW. So do the exercise D in page number 37 of your grammar gear book. You have to do it in the book, okay? And learn the page 34 to 37 from grammar gear book and practice it at home to do it better, okay? Thank you for watching the video. I hope you are well and please stay home. Still I'm saying stay home. Don't go outside. It's getting worse day by day. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.